Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 80th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 79 as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. This question was asked in CBSE 2010. Nice and a conceptual question. Now look here and focus here very hard. The question says in an AP the sum of the first 10 terms is minus 150. So S of 10 is equal to minus 150. And it says that the sum of its next 10 terms. So sum of 10 terms is minus 150 and the sum of 11 to 20 terms is equal to minus 550. Now we do not have a formula to work with the sum of some terms in the middle. We only know the formula to work with the first n terms. Okay, first n terms. Now look here carefully. Okay, we do not have a formula to work with the sum of 11 to 20 or any middle term. We only know the formula to work with the sum of the first n term. So if S of 10 is minus 150 and 11 to 20 sum is minus 550, I can say that S of 20, okay, which is the sum of the first 20 terms, is the sum of this plus the sum of this. So S of 10 is minus 150 and S of 20 is minus of 700. Okay, S of 10 is minus 150 and S of 20 is minus 700. And remember, the sum of the first n terms, S of n, is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. And this is the formula that will give us two equations in a and d, and solving those two equations we'll get our final answer. Okay, so basically to define the AP we need the value of a and d, and solving these two equations, which is S of 10 and S of 20, we will get the value of a and d. So let's first go with S of 10 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What this will give us is S of 10 is given as minus 150. This is equal to n by 2, which is 10 by 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1, which is 9d. Solve this further, you get 2 1s are 2 5s are, and this 5 becomes minus 30. Okay, so what this will become is 2a plus 9d is equal to minus 30. This is my equation 1. My equation 2 is S of 20 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S of 20 we found is minus 700. Okay, minus 700. Now remember, minus 150 and minus 550. So minus 700 is equal to n by 2, which is 20 by 2 into 2a plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 of d. What this will become is 2 tens are, and 1 10 will cancel this, so we have minus 70. So this gives you 2a plus 19d is equal to minus of 70. This is equation 2. Now if you solve for these two equations and get the value of a and d, so equation 1 is 2a plus 9d is equal to minus 30, and 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 70. Subtract the two equations, you get minus 10d is equal to 40, or d is equal to minus of 4. Okay, so we have one part. Now let us put the value of d in the first equation. So we have 2a plus 9d is equal to minus 30, and this becomes 2a plus 9 into minus 4 is equal to minus 30. So this becomes 2a is equal to 36 minus 30, or a is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, now I have the value of a as 3 A is 3, and I have the value of D as minus 4, and A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 4 defines my AP. If you want me to write the AP, the answer would be 3, then 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, minus 4, which is minus 5, minus 4, which is minus 9, minus 4, which is minus 13, and so on. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.